Alright, hi guys, good morning. Yes?
Good morning.
You want to say good morning? Alright, come. Say good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, guys.
Good morning, guys.
How are you?
Hi.
How old are you? Say the word. How old are you? 2. What's your name?
Dada Eri.
Very good. Alright, go to Daddy. I'm gonna make this really quick video. Alright? You want to stay? Alright, I'm sorry. Alright guys, so a really quick announcement with me and Jonathan. As you can tell, my setup is completely new, and I just wanted to give you guys a little breakdown of what you'll be getting from my channel from now on. I said this on Snapchat, so if you're not following me on Snapchat, please do, because not only am I trying to build up my following, you know, but a lot of my things I can just snap and it's right then and there. It's quicker than making a video, editing a video, compressing a video, uploading a video. You know, it's just right then and there. Snapchat. I will only be doing 2 videos a week, and the reason for that is because you guys know I have other things. I have my music, I have Pony, I have LyricRochester International, I have a lot of businesses that both me and my husband own together. Zine, I'm uploading twice a week because it will allow me more time to do other things. It will allow me more time to focus on my music a little while longer. I have a concert coming up on the 4th of November, Left Wrong Do Right, which is an annual concert. It's held twice a year and it's annual. So I was fortunate enough to be on the one earlier on this year and then this one. So I have that to focus on. We will be doing some Christmas songs as well. So I have that to get to the studio and write. There's a lot that comes into play. For those of you who have purchased my song already, Praise Belongs to Him, thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. It really means a lot to me, and if I can, I will just insert at the end of the clip the song story for my Praise Belongs to Him, or rather I'll link it in the description bar below for you guys for the song story and like the song intro as well. Pony Fitness, we do have the small Pony Fitness belts available under the large Pony and the medium Pony Fitness available and the large Pony Fitness available. So please order right now on PERISCOPE.com, or you can go to Draws by Needles in Kingston Shop 7 Clock Tower Plaza in order to get that. My lashes and my brushes are still at Fontana Pharmacy, and if you do shop at Fontana Pharmacy, please use the hashtag #PumByLyricRochester with your purchase from Fontana, so that we can repost and show the validity of us being in Fontana Pharmacy. This is a really huge company that we would not want to let go of, you know what I mean? So please do that so that we can repost to show our validity. You guys know I have no problems being completely raw with you, being open with you. I have no problems at all. I believe that to be this open is appreciated. It's judged. It is judged and it's deemed unprofessional. See my hair growing back again. It's judged and deemed unprofessional, but I think it's just the best way to let you guys know where I'm coming from, because I started here on YouTube. I've been doing YouTube for 7 years, and to be honest, I am getting a little bit wary of it. So I'm not venturing off into everything, into something else and leaving YouTube behind. I'm just not going to be doing like 7, 8, 9, 10 videos, you know, for the week or for 2 weeks. I'm going to deliberately focus on my music for this upcoming season. There's a shift that has taken place, and I sensed it when I came down from Florida. There was a shift that took place, and I just want to go with that shift. Also, my weight gain it's getting out of control, and that's because I had a medical emergency and there was some imbalance in my hormones. So that was the cause of my rapid weight gain a couple weeks ago or whatever. So no, we're not pregnant, not yet, but we're not pregnant, but that's just the reason for it, and I thought I had to tell you guys. And even that I'm a little bit self-conscious about as well, because I sell fitness gear and I'm gaining weight, and it just got really into my head. What else? I just want to keep you guys abreast of everything that will be happening from here on forward. Halloween videos will be going up. I'll be uploading every Tuesday and every Thursday, and Halloween videos will be going up shortly as well, if they're not up already. I don't know when I'm going to make this video live. What else? Yeah, thank you for your support. For my Florida classes are December 7th through to the 9th, 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. in Tamarack, Florida, and my Jamaica classes are February 9 to the 11th at Hotel Four Seasons, and I can't remember the time, but on my website LyricRochester.com all the information is there. And if you want to shop anything Pony, you can go to PonyByLyric.com as well. and with lyric.com, when you click the image to shop my lashes or the brushes, cover your mouth, very good, Papa. It will take you straight to the Fontana Pharmacy website, because as you guys know, Fontana Pharmacy now carries lashes or brushes. We do have new brushes in the pipeline, but those won't be launched until probably next year summer. We're just trying to work through a few kinks, because there's certain brushes that have never been made that I want to be made, so it's going to take a little while longer, and with the quantity that we'll be ordering as well. I want to take this time out to just again thank you guys. Time out. You guys have known me since bunk bed days, when I was pregnant with Jonathan. Now Jonathan is 2. It's like you guys are growing with me, and I just really felt like making a video today. I had no rhyme or reason, to be honest, but I just want to sit down and talk to you guys, let you guys know what's going on, what's coming up, and just thank you for your continued support. Even the few views that I get, there are still views. You guys are still watching, and that means so much to me. It means a lot to me, your support, you know, and you defending me in the comment section, and people understanding that I really can't comment on every single video, on every single post, because I am for now a one-woman show, you know what I mean? So as in one-woman show, as in I'm editing, filming, uploading, everything is just me commenting, everything is just me. So yeah, when my husband can help, he does, but you know, he has other stuff. I really want pressure. So yeah, so I just really want to thank you guys. You guys have been just a support system to me, and you guys are lit. This entire look, I did not film a tutorial because it's just very repetitive. I filmed a similar look to this, but just using different colors, the same exact thing, but just use different colors on my eyes, and that's a Fontana Pharmacy look. That will be after my Halloween videos, so I'm building up content for you guys. What else? I appreciate you. I appreciate your support, and as I was saying, you guys know me from bunk bed days to now, where I'm a wife, I'm a mother, a business owner. We've been through a lot. I'll be doing classes next year. I don't think I'll be traveling next year for classes. I really want to kind of get my roots here first. I mean, traveling probably once, but the bulk of my classes will definitely be in Jamaica. I'm definitely coming to Montego Bay. Yes, Papa? I'm definitely coming to Montego Bay next year for classes. But I don't know if I'm going to have it for 3 days, 2 days, or like a pop-up shop. Let me know what you think. If it's a pop-up shop, like a 1-day session or like a 4-hour session, you won't be able to work on yourself or anybody else. It will just be me showing you on a model and you just taking notes, you know. So let me know if you'd want to do something like that. That would be way cheaper, and 2-day classes are less expensive as well, and the 3-day classes are the most expensive ones. So let me know how you think. Bobo, taking it out. Yeah, so let me know what you think about that for for my Montego Bay ladies. I'll be in Montego Bay, and I don't know where else I can go. I mean, Montego Bay and Ochi are fairly close, so I really don't want to do Montego Bay and Ochi. So if you're in Montego Bay, go to Ochi. If you're in Ochi, Bobo gone. Good job. Give me a high five. There's such a good boo takeouter. I'm so proud of you. Yeah, that's just basically it for this little update video. Thank you so much, you guys, for allowing me to be me on camera and off camera. It means a lot to me. That's it. Not much for this video. I'll talk to you guys in the next one. You know, I think I'm going to upload it on Tuesday and then continue with my regular upload for Tuesday, Thursday. My vlog channel is really weird. I want to use my T3 to start vlogging, but I only have 1 memory card. So, and it's only a 32 gig, so I need a 64 gig, so that's a little bit weird. So I need to get a memory card. So it's like, oh, I said I need a camera, now I have a camera, I need a memory card, so it never ends. So that's basically it, you guys. I'll talk to you in the next video, and yeah, thank you, just mwah, and thank you, and talk to the next video, you guys. Bye.